In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your spelling errors instantly right here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a big set of data and you want to make sure that everything is perfect, even the spelling, well, with this quick tool, you'll be able to do that. Make sure that everything is spelled correctly. So I have this example data where I'm going to show you how to use that tool. So we have on the first column product, next one description, and the last one product review. Now with my product review, I've already noticed that some of the words are already misspelled, like the word actually and the word traffic. So plenty of errors that I want to quickly fix. To help me do that would be a tool called Spell Check. And we can find this within our toolbar. Just go to Tools right here. There you go. Click on Spelling, and on the right side, you'll see Spell Check. So if we click on this tool right here, it will open this pop-up window on the right side where it will tell you the word that it has detected, which is misspelled, then the suggestions of the correct spelling for that word. So you have three options right here. We have change, ignore, and add to dictionary. So we have those two options instead of change because there might be some words that are actually spelled that way. And there are some new words that you want to add to your dictionary within your sheets. So that's totally up to you. But these are obviously misspelled words, so we're just going to change them. And I'm going to click on this one right here. And there you have it. So it has changed the spelling of actually with double L this time. And the next one is the word impressive. And we can choose to change, ignore, or add to our dictionary. And I'm going to change it again. There you have it, traffic, expected, the E is missing right there. Now you can keep going and spell check every word in your data. But if you don't have the time, what you can do is to go to the right side. Here we have more change options. Click on that and we have the option to change all. So what this will do is to detect all of the misspelled words within your data and change them to the correct spelling. So if I click on change all right here, there you go. I've quickly changed all of the misspelled words within that cell. Moving on to the next one, and there you have it. We were able to fix spelling errors instantly with the help of the tool Spell Check here in Google Sheets. By the way, if you want some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.